What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Super quick visit to the clearance store, then we're gonna head out to some other spots. Didn't really intend to stop here, to be really honest, but we happened to be going home for Valencia. So yeah, let's stop by, see if they got any heat items, and then we'll continue our adventure later. Then of course we're gonna start with the apparel, because they always have new stuff. Dude got Davis right here. Dude got Davis, Anthony Davis shirts. They go for what, 15 bucks. Jordan t-shirts, got XL, got large. It's 15 bucks for those. And these shirts, we've seen these shirts. These are the long sleeve, $20 for those. MPLS Lakers shirts, these are all smalls right here, down to 15 bucks, normally $40. They look alright, they look alright. Why is this guy so mad? Why are you so mad, fool? Why are you so mad, dude? That's a nice thick t-shirt. Oh, it's a SB. That's why I was like, why is it so thick? $45 down to 20. The color was better, maybe. San Diego. Dude got a Padres shirt or polo, go for $35. All right, let's go check out size 10, 10.5, and then bounce. All right, I did peruse the 10s. I checked the 10.5s as well, and just not much. I was here less than a week ago and I did show you guys, so I'm not gonna show you guys the exact same stuff. Might be time to move on to the next spot. Shout out to Patrick. He had some black and white, the Panda Dunk highs, and they're 100 bucks, man, 100 bucks. I was like, dang, dude, we're talking like the deals, just not here as much, you know? Interesting, because, you know, it did cut down on the reselling element and stuff like that, but it's just very interesting. 50 bucks. For these right here, Davis jersey, $50. That is a steal. Only size L. Right before I head out, they do have a deal on these. Look, the Elite basketballs. It's pretty much indoor, outdoor basketballs. Not like super expensive normally. Normally $35 down to $10. $10, not bad. You know, they got the full size ones. They got a little bit smaller ones. And perfect for, you know, kids who need basketball for hoops. Wait, and then Jordan Hydros, what the price on these? $30. We just saw these at the outlets for cheaper than that, didn't we? The regular outlets? Oh man. Also got footballs, like the youth, and then official size, $10. $10, not bad. By $10, I mean some $10, some $15, but still hella cheap compared to, yeah, see, 35 down to 10 for those, and then these are probably 45 or something. Yeah, not bad. Did hit up the Red Robin right there, bottomless fries. Oh my god, the food was so good. Yeah, I kind of want to go to the mall, but I'm tired, so we're gonna hit up this Ross real quick, see what's up here. Gonna check out the active tops. I've had a string of L's. All y'all fools are finding all kinds of stuff. I've had a string of L's, and I think that string of L's is gonna continue. It is the evening, and evenings are an awful time to come. Got some budget Buffalo t-shirts going for $7. Minnesota Twins. This is actually pretty fire. A Twins jersey. Is it technically a jersey? I don't know. I'm just saying because there's no numbers and stuff on it. $20. That's a pretty dope find, you know, and it has that genuine merchandise stuff right there. Yeah, that's pretty legit, dude. And it is a Nike. Another large right here, Dodgers dry fit black shirt right here. This is actually pretty fire. 15 bucks. I just don't like dry fit like that, but yeah, that's pretty fire actually. Yeah, not bad. Budget Colts jersey, Carson Wentz one, going for 20 bucks. It is a budget one though. Team apparel, low budget Saquon Barkley team apparel jersey, $20. One of these Twins Nike jerseys again. These are actually fire, dude. Those are actually fire. Guadalajara jersey, 45 down to 20. All right, no dope Mitchell and Ness stuff. Did check the shorts here as well, and no luck. Oh, wait, what's this? Is this Stephen Curry jersey? Or Steph Curry shorts right here. $17 normally, $50. This is a small. I guess I got one thing. Like one pretty decent thing. I'm not getting it though. There's a small. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Alright, yeah, let's go check out sneakers, man. Just no dubs for cool, man. No dubs for cool lately. Alright, checking out the sneakers, and you know, we're kind of seeing the same stuff. Hoka One One, the Challenger ATR 6s. Those go for 80, a little high. More Hoka One Ones. I don't know which one these are. So it's the same thing. Challenger ATR 6s again go for 60. I mean, my bad, 80. Some Sambas. These are kind of cool. $40 for these. Dang, they got a bunch of Hokas today. Superstars right here. Oh, these go for $25. Interesting color blocking. Got some RSXs right here. Go for $30. Size 11.5. Nike pinwheel slides. These bad boys down to $18. More Hoka One Ones. This thing's about to go off. $80 for these bad boys. The Hoakas. Kyrie's. These look like a size 9 or something like that. $55 for these bad boys. Crazy looking Jamal Mashburns. Under Armour slides. I don't know which slides these are, but got way more traction than almost any other slide. The Summit FT Sway. Oh, okay, going for $17. More Hokas. Damn, maybe I need to hit up the Decker outlet out in Ventura. Maybe they might have a bunch of dope stuff there. The Clifton 8s. That is actually one of their premier running shoes. Wow. 11.5 going for 80. These rarely ever go on sale, so even at 80, that's actually a really good price. These retail at like 150, and you rarely ever see it under 120. So that's actually a hell of a price. Ugly colorway though, but hell of a price. Got some top 10s right here with that blue suede, and yeah, that green on the back is awful. $45 for those. More Hokas right here. Clifton 8s. Size 9. This is, god dang, dude, this is actually really good. $80. That's actually really freaking nice, dude. Holy crap. That's actually really nice. I don't really know how Hokas fit. I'm having my kid try that on. He's like 8.5. I don't know. That's actually really nice. The Cliftons go for 80. These are 8.5, and these are slightly big on him, and then these 9s fit him almost perfectly. What the hell, like Cliftons? Man, dude, the Hokas fit weird. Hokas fit weird. Thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. He says those Pegasus Turbos are more comfy than these, the cushioning. But look, like that stuff yellows, like the Zoom X and stuff, like yellows like crazy. He does run on the beach and stuff like with that stuff. So I like this black one too. It looks nice. Some budget Steph Curry's. What the hell? What they have for these, dude? I have no clue what these are. Maybe this is a budget line. He does have a budget line. $47 for those. Checking the women's section real quick to see if they have anything great over here, especially size 10. See some Asics right here with the what is it? The flight foam. That's their running or their midsole technology. These are going for $55. Let's see, which ones are these? I'm trying to remember which one these are. The Kayanos? Are they the Kayanos? Yeah, the Kayano 28s. So these are some legit running shoes for $58. That's actually pretty good. Brooks Levitate. Y'all need some running shoes. $45. Got some more Kayanos right here. I'm in the size 8 now, so. But yeah, some Solar Guides right here, size 8. Go for $35. A lot of empty slots, a lot of blank spots, so not too much. I think we're gonna wrap it up. Let me see if we need these Hokas. All right, I think I'm gonna grab these Hoka size 9. Go for $80. Either the Cliftons, like pretty much one of their Yeah, one of their max cushion running shoes. Oh my god, these black, you know, with is that gray midsole? Can use it for almost anything, like when he goes to school and stuff. Hoka's comfy. All right, a few days later, we are hitting up a few more stores. Gonna hit up a bunch of Nike outlets tomorrow. Burlington and Ross today. Gonna be hitting up Lids as well tomorrow because my jerseys, I just have not found jerseys here. Got a decent basketball shorts. Lakers, it is what, the U brand. Yeah, 13 bucks for these, not too shabby. But yeah, I've had no luck finding stuff here, so I'm gonna be hitting up some Lids tomorrow. Yeah, that streak continues. Bunch of nothings. Checking out the sneaker section. The only place I saw these before I've seen them here was at Chic. And I was told that they sell pretty good at Chic. $9 for these bad boys. More Vans go for $30. More Vans. All right, nothing to show you guys, man. I was finding Hokas and stuff like that at some of the Ross. Burlington today, nothing. Checking the women's section now. Size 10 for the women. New Balance are these. Got some 880s, I think like some mid-tier running shoes. Got some 860s going for 50 bucks. Going down the aisles, not really finding much in terms of sneakers, just not much at all. Damn. All right, this is the next aisle right here. All right, man, we're just gonna cut our losses, head to the next spot. Right next door do have a Ross. Let's go. In the active top section, do got just a NFL team apparel Charger shirt going for 8 bucks, size large. Do got a Derek Carr jersey, an older one, because he's not with them anymore. I don't see any Ross tags on it. $1.30 or $1.20 down to, usually these are like 30 bucks, something like that. So I would assume that's how much it costs. It is a pressed on. All right, that's not bad. Chiefs t-shirt going for 7 bucks. More team apparel. This is a Baker Mayfield t-shirt going for $7. It's a medium. That's a huge medium though. No NFL jerseys. I am a little bit late today. It is like 1:45-ish because I did have to go to work this morning. All right, no jerseys. Checking out the shorts. Don't see any Mitchell and Ness here. Do see this right here. Lower budget Memphis shorts right here. Oh no, I don't even see a tag. Wait. See the original tag. I don't see a Ross tag. I'd be surprised for more than 10 bucks. And sneaker section right here, not looking promising. Look at how empty the shelves are. Oh man. Duke got some cleats. What's this? Oh, these are spikes for shoe. Oh, these are for cycling. Duke got to get the attachment though. Yeah, $33 for those. That's pretty big. More of these Hokas. The Challenger ATR 6s. These were what? These were $80. Bunch of these cons. We've been seeing a bunch of those Converse. Got some low budget Nikes. Oh, what the hell these are? $55. Oh, y'all crazy. Got some Vans right here. Some skate highs. Damn, man. Oh, there's a tag right there. All right, $35 for these bad boys. Some Reebok Nanos. $30 for these. Got some golf shoes, Nike Golf with the React and Zoom Air. It's the Infinity Tour Next Percent. It's going for $35. Big feet game, that's not bad. That's not bad. And that's about it, yo. That is about it. I do have one more store I'm gonna try. And then it might be done, man. Hitting up a ton of shops. One last Ross before I start on my Nike outlet visits tomorrow. Let's go. Damn, has their sneaker section always been this small? What the heck? All right, this is my 5th store. Last couple days. All right, let's go. Vans old school, if you guys like. A ton of orange, $33. Got another one down here as well. Vans boots. Oh, these are like some super rugged boots. $35. That's actually a really, really good steal. These go for way over $100. Size 11. Got multiple pairs here. Wow. Rarely ever see these boots, especially like the super rugged ones. Okay. Got Gore-Tex on them and everything. Got some skate highs right here, go for $35. Then more Hokas. You Hoka lovers, man, that's what's up. $80 for these. These retail for I think $140, $145, something like that, $150 maybe. These are the Cliftons. Oh, these are the Clifton 8s. The 9's the most current one right now. Love finding the Hokas. I did get one for my kiddo. Do got these right here, the RSX, going for $30. Top 10s. Top 10 highs right here with the price tag on these, $45. That's a little much. Some Converse, huge sizes. These are what, size 14, something like that, $40. Under Armour slides down to $13. This is the one with the memory foam and stuff. Pretty comfy. And then ending it with some more Cons right here. Of course, I did not forget the activewear section because we're still checking. $65 Adidas hoodie down to $20. Tons of Champion hoodies down to $15. This is a pink one right here. More Chargers. This is a Nike. Yeah, more Chargers. Dry fit shirts, $13. Nike maroon hoodie, super soft. Normally $85 down to $25. Not too shabby. Budget Mexico jersey, $6. Is this ASU? Is that an ASU soccer jersey? Oh, I don't know. $13. Got some Jumpman shorts right here. Down to what, $13? Super thin though. That's pretty much about it in the active section, man. Nothing much. No Mitchell and Ness. No fire. I just can't come super early in the morning, so man, just not finding a ton of heat. We got some Under Armour shorts right here. So fleece shorts, pretty nice. Down to $17. That's a medium. But other than that, just not much, you guys. Not much. Man, I think this is the last Burlington Ross I'm gonna do for a while. I think I said that a few weeks ago though. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take a break because I'm tired of looking for Mitchell and Ness. Can't find it. All right, I'm done. Almost neglected the women's section. Do got some Hokas, more Hokas. We've been seeing so many of these Clifton 8s going for $80. Got them in multiple sizes. Just saw another one. Infinity Tour Next Percents. These are the Premier golfing shoes. Go for $35. Audi Zero Boston's. Some serious. I think this is for racing, right? This is for racing. $35 of Continental rubber and everything. $35 for these size 8. Audi Zero sprinting cleats, or could be middle distance too, going for $35. Candace Parker's, $30 for those bad boys. Of course, more Hokas. These are the big section, 10.5. So is that size 9 men's. And then the more normal women's section, this is size 8.5 right here. Just totally empty. Totally empty, not much. Man, all right, that's about it, dude. That's about it. Dope finding a bunch of Hokas and stuff. No Mitchell and Ness for your boy, though. All right, let's go. So I am at my local Menchie's. They do have $7 Fridays. You can fill up the cup as high as you can. I think it's like 68 cents an ounce. Did fill mine up. Got 33 ounces. Not too bad. Would have been like $27. $7. Did finish about half, probably. I don't know. Is that about half? And I got stuff to take home, and I'll eat this throughout the week. Throw it in the freezer. Bam. Go time.